Hello and welcome to our daily digital bulletin where we focus on Omicron. I'm Miran Sharma. First, let's take a look at the latest tally of Omicron in the country today. Well, cases continue to surge. The Omicron tally is now touching around 600 cases. States like Delhi is recording the highest number of Omicron cases, followed by Maharashtra. But states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Kerala, and Telangana are also contributing to the surge in cases. Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal has also started contributing to cases of the Omicron infection in the country. Now, as India is moving towards vaccination 3.0, India is ready. As in a surprise Christmas address, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India will get boosters. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said that healthcare workers and frontline workers will be given a precautionary dose, as well as those above the age of 60 years with comorbidities will be given a precautionary dose. Another good news is children's vaccination that will begin for teenagers 15 years and above till 18 years from the 3rd of January. Let's listen in.
कोरोना वैक्सीन का अब तक का ये भी अनुभव है कि जो अधिक आयु वाले हैं और पहले से ही किसी न किसी गंभीर बीमारी से पीड़ित है, उन्हें प्रिकॉशन लेना सलाह योग्य है। इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए 60 वर्ष से ऊपर की आयु के कोमॉर्बिडिटी वाले नागरिकों को उनके डॉक्टर की सलाह पर वैक्सीन की प्रिकॉशन डोज का विकल्प उनके लिए उपलब्ध होगा। ये भी 10 जनवरी से प्रारंभ होगा। 15 साल से 18 साल की आयु के बीच के जो बच्चे हैं, अब उनके लिए देश में वैक्सीनेशन प्रारंभ होगा। 2022 में 3 जनवरी को सोमवार के दिन से इसकी शुरुआत की जाएगी। ये फैसला कोरोना के खिलाफ देश की लड़ाई को तो मजबूत करेगा ही, स्कूल कॉलेजों में जा रहे हमारे बच्चों की और उनके माता पिता की चिंता भी कम करेगा। कोरोना वैक्सीन का अब तक का ये भी अनुभव है कि जो अधिक आयु वाले हैं और पहले से ही किसी न किसी गंभीर बीमारी से पीड़ित है, उन्हें प्रिकॉशन लेना सलाह योग्य है। इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए 60 वर्ष से ऊपर की आयु के कोमॉर्बिडिटी वाले नागरिकों को उनके डॉक्टर की सलाह पर वैक्सीन की प्रिकॉशन डोज का विकल्प उनके लिए उपलब्ध होगा। ये भी 10 जनवरी से प्रारंभ होगा।
Well, India is preparing for vaccination 3.0, and certainly there are questions that people have on how they will be able to register. Once again, CoWIN will be used for those children who have to get vaccinated and also those who have to take their precautionary dose. I spoke to NECVAC member and CoWIN chief, Dr. R.S. Sharma, on this. Listen in.
Prime Minister has opened vaccinations for 15 to 18 years of teenagers. So they also have to register in a similar fashion, or can they club their registration with their family members who had earlier registered on CoWIN? Or will that be a separate one?
Absolutely, wonderful question. What can happen, as you know, one phone allows as much as 4 registrations. So let's say husband and wife are registered and they are 2 children which are between 15 to 18 years of age. They will be able to create entries for their children. Okay. Alternatively, children can also register themselves separately. So whichever way it is comfortable for them, they can do that. And children of born in the year 2007 or before, that is 2006 and 2005, will be eligible for getting the jabs for the children.
There's also been disapproval from the scientific community on the Prime Minister's announcement for vaccination for children. Senior epidemiologist and Dr. Sanjay Rai at AIIMS New Delhi has said that the decision of the Prime Minister is completely unscientific. Listen in.
If we don't have this severity in children and vaccines are not preventing, so what is the use of vaccine in children? I don't have sufficient evidence to recommend this.
Well, the government has issued detailed guidelines and SOPs on children's vaccination, as well as the 60+ precautionary dose today. The persons eligible for the second dose, especially in the precautionary dose category, those above 60 years of age, have to have taken the second dose at least 9 months prior to this third jab that they will get. The government also clarified that for now, children between the ages of 15 and 18 who will be getting vaccinated for the first time will only have Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Earlier, Zydus vaccine, ZyCoV-D, was also approved, but at the moment, the government has clarified that ZyCoV-D will only be given to adults in certain states where the vaccination figures are low. So children right now have only one option, that is Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. We now move to Omicron situation in the world. France has recorded more than 1 lakh virus infections in a single day for the first time in the pandemic. More than 1,000 people in France have died over the past week, bringing the country's total death toll to more than 1,22,000. More than 1 in 100 people in Paris have tested positive over the past week. And this is figures according to the country's regional health service. Even hospitalizations have doubled. The UK and the US are also facing a similar concern, even as these countries have boosted their populations, raising questions on boosters, even as India is going in for boosters ourselves now from the new year 2022. Well, that's all we have for you in this bulletin of India Today's digital bulletin on Omicron. Stay tuned and continue to watch indiatoday.in.